Foreclosure investigations grab the headlines.
It's an American crisis. We all need to be part of this.
80% of the mortgage fraud has been caused by the banks and the lending institution.
Who owns this house that we're sitting in?
I'd give anything to be able to answer that question.
That nobody in this country knows for sure who owns any real estate.
Do you know that by the time you finish watching this short video, another 8 families will have lost their home to foreclosure here in the United States? If you're behind on your mortgage payments or have already received a notification from your lender, don't be the next American victim of foreclosure. Now is the time to fight back and defend your home. For years now, we've been reading and hearing about the U.S. foreclosure crisis on the news every night. Millions of Americans have already been kicked out of their homes by their lender, and millions more are currently in some phase of foreclosure. Banks and financial institutions continue to commit forgery and other serious crimes, and not a single one of these CEOs or bank officers has been charged with a crime. This is simply not the American way. I'm Jeff, and I'm a membership counselor in the Foreclosures Division of Consumers Choice Legal Management Services. We work with people who are sick and tired of the banks committing these crimes and taking advantage of borrowers like you and me. If you've received a notification from your bank that you're behind on your payments and you want to keep your home, it's absolutely critical that you do not ignore them. This is not a problem that will go away by itself, and if you don't take some form of quick defensive action, it's almost a guarantee that you will lose your home. We've worked with and helped thousands of people in a similar situation to yours. People that didn't know who to turn to and were confused about the process and the costs that would be associated with defending their home. Let me make one thing perfectly clear. Regardless of what they say, the bank is not on your side. And as long as you owe them money, they're going to do everything in their power to collect every cent of it. Don't forget or be misled. Banks loan money for one reason and one reason only: to charge interest and to make a profit. Our company provides a service that helps you manage the entire process of defending your home, your property, against these greedy banks, and we do it with no retainer fees or upfront costs. We understand that you probably don't have thousands of dollars just sitting around, which is why we've created an all-inclusive program with no upfront costs and low, affordable monthly payments. And if you've been ripped off by another company, there are no worries here because we have no long-term contracts, and you can discontinue your membership with us at any time and for any reason. With our plan, you never pay for a product or service until after it's been delivered to you. The first step is for you to have a no-obligation consultation with a foreclosure law firm within our network. They will review the facts of your case, and if the law firm determines that you qualify for one of our foreclosure prevention programs, you'll then be referred to a membership counselor who will assist you through the sign-up process and answer all of your questions. Your personal account manager will work with you throughout your time in the program. They'll speak with you on a weekly basis and keep you totally up to date on the status of your case. They'll communicate with you and your network attorney to be sure that you're receiving the best service possible. Keep in mind that every 30 seconds, another American family is thrown out of their home due to foreclosure. Please, don't make the mistake of ignoring this situation and hoping that this problem will just go away, because very frankly, it won't. With our plan, your initial evaluation is free. There are no long-term contracts or commitments, and you can decide to leave the program at any time and for any reason. Take the first step now, like thousands of clients already have, and either reply to our live chat, call to speak with one of our membership counselors, or fill out the short form on this page and a membership counselor will reach out to you. Whatever you decide, we wish you the very best of luck, and thanks for listening.